Today, I'm going to show you how to integrate the Easy Website Form plugin with your WordPress website. Integrating Easy Website Form with your WordPress site starts by installing the plugin. This process is straightforward and designed to get you up and running quickly. First, download the plugin from Easy Website Form on WordPress.org. If you want a direct link, there's one in the description. Second, install the plugin. You're going to log into your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the Plugins section and click Add New Plugin. Then, click Upload Plugin and choose the Easy Website plugin file from your downloads. Then, activate the plugin. Once the plugin is installed, click Activate to enable it on your WordPress site. Before using the Easy Website Form plugin, it must be configured with your unique API key. This key links your WordPress site to your Easy Website Form account, enabling seamless integration. First, create or log into your account. Visit Easy Website Form and sign up or log in. Then, you'll retrieve your API key. Access your account settings or the API section to locate and copy your API key. Once the plugin is configured, navigate to Easy Website Form, All Forms in your WordPress dashboard. Choose the form you wish to use and copy the shortcode provided. Paste this shortcode into the content area of the page or post where you want the form to appear. Then, save or update the page or post. Your form is now published on your website and is ready to collect submissions from online visitors. Whether you're a blogger, small business owner, or a large corporation looking to manage leads at scale, Easy Website Form is the perfect solution for capturing leads without technical failures due to changes in email routing or security updates. With guaranteed form entry capture and a wide variety of form field customization options, Easy Website Form is the perfect choice for businesses of all sizes looking to enhance their digital strategy and increase conversions. It's just that easy.